The Aston Martin Valkyrie was just the beginning. Enter the RB17, Adrian Newey's much-anticipated non-F1 car, a track-exclusive hypercar that showcases the brilliance of his engineering prowess. This marvel is powered by a Red Bull-spec, Cosworth-made 1000 bhp 4.5-litre V10 engine capable of revving up to 15,000 revolutions per minute, supplemented by a 200 bhp e-motor. The moniker RB17 comes from the fact that during the COVID pandemic, Red Bull did not run an F1 car with that designation. Now, this name finds its rightful place. The RB17 targets a weight under 900 kilograms, making it a beast on the track. Despite its light weight, the car's physical presence is significant, stretching over 5 meters in length and 2 meters in width. Its design features prominent side pods and an aesthetic defined more by its aerodynamic voids than by its physical structure. Porosity is the guiding principle here, with numerous open spaces channeling air to and from critical areas. Even at a standstill, the RB17 looks dynamic. One can imagine the chaotic air around the front wheel arches being smoothed out, directed under the car, and funneled into a complex floor and tunnel system. Hidden within are two fans that manipulate this airflow into extraordinary aerodynamic performance. The full-width rear wing plays a crucial role in extracting air from the diffuser. Unlike the Valkyrie, the RB17 is focused solely on performance, giving Newey the freedom to innovate. The goal is to achieve lap times akin to F1 cars while delivering an exhilarating driving experience at iconic circuits like Silverstone, Spa, and Suzuka. Remarkably, it accommodates two people. The RB17's lineage can be traced back to the Red Bull X1, a car Newey designed for Gran Turismo 5 and 6 in 2010. Although it began as a fantasy car with no computational fluid dynamics, CFD, or internal engineering, it planted the seed for future developments. As Newey recounts, the RB17 took shape in his mind during a ski break in Christmas 2019, frustrated by the lack of snow. Drawing on aesthetics and performance, Newey aimed to create a car that was not only capable of F1 lap times but also accessible and visually appealing. The RB17's configuration reflects Newey's desire to share the driving experience. The passenger seat is slightly staggered to provide proper visibility, and there's even luggage space for 2 sets of overalls and room for helmets behind the cockpit. The car's chassis, made from extreme carbon composite, incorporates active suspension, a technology banned in F1 since 1994 but vital for the RB17's performance. This suspension offers precise control over vehicle dynamics, allowing the development team to achieve their performance targets without unnecessary stiffness or weight. Safety is paramount, with the RB17 adhering to Le Mans Hypercar (LMH) regulations for stiffness and overturning moments, preventing the car from becoming airborne during accidents. Despite these safety measures, the car maintains its visual appeal. Newey's hands-on approach extended to drawing the aerodynamic surfaces by hand, later refined using CFD. Red Bull hired automotive design graduates from the Royal College of Art to flesh out these surfaces, ensuring that the car retained its aesthetic appeal without sacrificing downforce. The RB17 targets an astounding 1,700 kilograms of downforce at 150 miles per hour, with the floor doing much of the work, unconstrained by F1 regulations. Michelin is developing 3 different tire compounds to handle these forces. A confidential, high-grip tire, a standard slick with more slip angle, and a treaded option. This variety provides the RB17 with adaptability but not for showy drifts. The car is designed for serious performance, though it's accessible to those with drive and determination. The gearbox, designed and assembled in-house with extract gears, balances high-performance shifts with manageable harshness. The e-motor handles first and reverse gears, adding 200 bhp and aiding low-speed maneuverability. Lessons learned from the Valkyrie led to the V10 being a semi-stressed member, reducing noise and enhancing the driving experience. Development of the powertrain is progressing on the dyno, with the first test cars expected on track by summer 2025. Production is limited to 50 units, each costing £5 million, manufactured at Red Bull's technology campus near Milton Keynes. Despite some criticism, the RB17 stands in a league of its own. Unlike other hypercars from Ferrari, Aston Martin, Brabham, Lamborghini, and McLaren, the RB17 is a no-rules, clean-sheet design from one of motorsport's most influential technical minds. As Newey puts it, This is the next level of performance, surpassing even the Valkyrie. The main event has truly begun.